What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon. It is 12 o'clock, September 17th, which is a Tuesday. So I'm going to go over how I blew up my Apex account, right? I live streamed it this morning, and let's just jump right into it, right? Let's see where I went wrong. Let's see what I did wrong. I know what I did wrong. I went too heavy. But let's just jump into the video and see what happened. I'm gonna get to it over here. Let me turn my volume down a little bit on here. I don't need me speaking in the background. Alright. We can see. Now, this is an excuse, but I am running off of an older laptop, so I do need to purchase a new laptop. So right now I'm currently in a trade and I'm down 800 on it, and I'm down roughly 3,600 on the day. Right, let's fast forward a little bit. Let's fast forward a little more. I'm gaining profit. I'm up to $300,000 now, right? This is back to where I started. So in the trade, I'm up 1,200 roughly, give or take. I'm in with 3 positions. Now, what I should have done was close 1, if not 2 positions out, just to lock in a little bit of profit. Right, you see where it's coming back to this trend line? I was thinking it was gonna hold it, but I do believe that it falls through. See, it sold, okay, it sold all 3. So I did fall in the profit and take a little bit, but if you look at my equity, I'm still down $2,000 on my account. So let's fast forward a little bit. It falls. I'm in a long with 2 contracts where I should have shorted. Once it broke that trend line right here that I drew, I should have went in with 2 or 3 shorts, but instead I went in. My mindset, my bias was still bullish. So that's another mess up that I did. I didn't change my bias in the moment because I'm a scalp trader. Scalp traders need to go from bullish to bearish, depending on the situation. And also today was FOMC. Let's go a little further into it. Currently still in a long. You see I never switched my bias from being bullish to bearish. Okay, you see my equities just at 2,700. I'm down for the day. I'm down 300 on the trade. Let's go here. Okay, now I'm up. So I'm still in the bullish. I'm still bullish mindset. But now I'm up to equity of 200,098. So I'm up a little bit. Let's fast forward a little more. Still at 28. Still down $2,000 roughly. It did make a nice bounce off of this line that I drew. So if I would have went heavier, if I would have went in with 15 contracts right here, I could have saved myself. But I was too scared, right? If you're trading scared, you're more prone to making mistakes. Follow your gut instinct. I knew that the price was going to fall to this line. So with me knowing that, because it was a 63.8 Fibonacci at the moment, I knew it was going to go long. I knew it was going to bounce off of that price level. See, look, it's a perfect bounce. I should have went in. Should have went in heavy, but I didn't. That is another mistake that I made. Let's go a little further into it. Okay, I'm back to the $300,000 mark, and I'm up 1,400 on the trade. I should have exited, right? Hindsight to 2020. I should have got out right here. That way I could take back and reset my mind and then look at the market more, right? Once you're up, I mean, for me personally, if I'm up $2,000, I know better. I know to get out, especially if I'm back at close to the $300,000 mark. Fast forward. And I'm still in the same spot. Up 1,200 on the trade with 1 contract, and my equities just about 300,000. Now we come to this resistance level, right? It breaks it. It tries to break it, and then it does break it. I'm up 1,300 on the trade. I'm close to my $300,000 mark. I should have set a stop loss. I should have set a trailing stop loss is what I should have done. Because normally that's what I do. That's how I maintain and take profits. I set trailing. I do a long, right? I take profit in the money, but I should have been trailing. Still up 1,500, still around the 300,000. I think I did break the $300,000 mark at one point. Let's see if I can find that scenario. I'm up 1,800 on the trade, just at 300,000. Should have exited. Should have got out and reset my mind, right? All that anxiety and blood pumping through your veins at that point when you're up a decent amount and you're close to your break even of the day. You want to get out. Me personally, I want to get out and readjust my mind, let the anxiety wear off, let the blood stop pumping, you know. So in this one, I'm up $2,000, and I'm over the 300,000. Once again, I should have exited, but I didn't. And all this is a lie. You can go on my YouTube channel and watch this live stream. It was this morning. You can watch the play-by-play. Now this is my Apex account. I blew it on the first day, but if you go watch the live video, I did go right into my take profit account and I made $2,370, I believe, 2,300. So I'm up on my take profit, but I blew the Apex. And this is where it starts going south, right? I go heavier. I go long with 6. You can see I never went short. I've always took a long bias, which it did bad for me in the beginning, then it kind of worked out, and then of course it went bad horribly because I went heavier with 11 contracts to revenge trade. We don't want to revenge trade. We want to blow in accounts like I did, right? I know you've done it because I've done it. So now I'm down almost $2,000, and I'm even down on my current situation with 6 contracts. Let's go a little further. I'm back up to the $300,000 mark. Once again, should have got out. Hindsight's 2020. Now I'm down. I'm down close to $2,000. Now I'm down $3,000. Now I'll go heavy with 11. This is where I completely mess up. I go 11 right here, and I think it stops me out here, right? Look at my equity. Down $5,000, down $4,000. This is where if you're down substantially like that and you're in a heavy trade, just exit, do yourself a favor, get out of the play. This is where I blow it. Well, this is where it almost blows, and then it comes back up. And it's like another 10 more minutes in the live stream. Oh, there it goes, look. Yep. So I was stupid, I went heavy, I was chasing the losses, and I really lost. So this is a video of what not to do, right? And I have to make a mental note and tell myself every day, don't revenge trade, don't go heavy, stick with 2 or 3 contracts until you build a nice cushion, $67,000 cushion, and you can go heavy for a little bit, you know? But in my position on this specific account, I don't have a $60,000 cushion, and I risked it, and I blew it, right? I just gambled. I wasn't trading, I wasn't scalping, I was gambling. Please, please, please don't do it. Stay away from what you just witnessed. Go watch my live trade, and you could see it play out, what I'm talking about, why I drew all these trend lines and stuff. So, alright guys, that's a video of what not to do. Do not be like me. Please take my advice. And I'm not taking my own advice. I have to take, sometimes I take my own advice, sometimes I don't. Just try to stay consistent with your trading, right? Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all have a good rest of y'all day. And I'll see y'all tomorrow in the live trades if y'all show up. Thank y'all.